Hello, everyone. So, one of the things that I want to take a look at today connects with the idea of flipping your classroom. So, if any of you are interested in doing more of a flipped classroom style, um, to have students look at information on their own time, I'm going to show you real quick today an easy tool to use. It's Edpuzzle. Basically, what Edpuzzle lets you do is take a video from any popular video website, and then you can embed questions in it and assign them to your students to check for understanding. So I'm just going to give you a quick little run through of like how you get the video and add questions to it, and then there are other things that you can do with Edpuzzle as well afterwards. So to get started here, so what I did is I went on YouTube. So I clicked down here to YouTube, and we're working on some research stuff. So my students need some help with in-text citations. So I just searched for in-text citations, and I found this video. So when you click on it, you've got some different options of what you can do. But what I want to do is, if this is a video that you want to use, you can edit it, and then this allows you to actually do some things with it. So one of the things that you can do is, if you don't, so this is a 8-minute video. If you don't want to use the whole 8 minutes, you can actually crop parts of it so that they're only watching a certain part of it. But for this one, I can use the whole thing, and then I'm going to add stuff to it. So you can cut. You can do voiceover. So if you want to talk to add supplemental information to the video as you go along, you can do that. But then the biggest thing that I want to look at today is adding questions. So when you go to the questions section, what you've got options for multiple choice, open-ended, or notes. So you can add your own notes, which also you could embed links to other sources to help you out. But all you're going to do is you're going to go to the time frame, what's the word? Time signature. There we go. And then you're just going to click. So I can click to add a multiple choice question right here. And then you are just going to type your question in. So you would type your question in there. You type your answer choices in here. And then if you want to add, so you can add multiple questions to the same section. And then you're just going to click save. So when you do multiple choice questions, that will grade it automatically, and you can see it in your gradebook portion of Edpuzzle. And then when you're done with all that, you're just going to click finish. And then once you've added all of your questions in there, you click finish. Your video is ready to go, and you can assign it to classes through Edpuzzle. So I hope this helps. And like I said, it's a great way to start to flip your classroom. It's really easy to integrate, and it's pretty user-friendly, so students are able to figure it out pretty easily. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.